kurta is a two-piece kurta. So here this is the top part. The length will be up to the that waist length, and after waist length the flare part is joined here. Flare may be different type of. Here it is umbrella cut. Umbrella also you can do with the maximum flare, or if you want to go for the less flare, both the type of flare, how to draw the drafting, how to fold the fabric, I'll show. Type of flare for the anarkali is panel. Panel means from the waistline it is narrow and it goes gradually, the flare increases, and accordingly so many of flares you can stitch with this to add the more flare for the downward. Showing you this is the panel, starting panel. This must be 3 inch, and gradually the flare is increasing. From the wrong side I am showing you. So this flare from here to here it becomes 10 inch, so that also you can increase as per your choice. So this panel is also good for the anarkali kurta. Type of flare I would like to show that you can stitch with the anarkali kurta. This is the actually tire type. So light gathers are there. This is the top part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So you can choose accordingly 3 or 4 part. At the end the border part is stitched here. So how to calculate the measurement for this type of flare, the pieces, this tire, I will show. Also you can choose any type of enhancing for the top part. Must be embroidery in the sleeve, that border is there, and or else this kind of embroidery you can do in the border is there in the sleeve, 3/4 length sleeve. Or for the flare part you can add any type of border, or you can enhance this is the 2 layer. So this type of layers also you can stitch it. This type of gathering you can stitch different type of pleats also. So in the subtitle I have written the video numbers that you can follow and see the different type of pleats you can stitch: plain pleats, box pleats, knife pleats, or small gathers. So that all the things you can do with the anarkali kurta. Here I am showing the written drafting instructions for this top part. Flare you can do as per your choice. So this drafting is needed only for this top part or sleeve. Here is extension part of the drafting. You can pause and follow the instructions and draw on the paper. It is good to draw first on the paper, then place on the fabric as the fabric pattern is. Drafting of the top part for the anarkali kurta, that you can use for the flared kurta also. So 0 to 1 will be the waist length, 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 will be the waist length plus 1 inch. 1 and 2 to 3 is the waist length plus 1 inch. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the total width, that is 1/4 of the chest plus 1.25 for the ease and 1 inch for the seam line. 0 to 4 is the 1/4 of the chest minus 1.5 inch for the armhole length. 0 to 5 is half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch. 5 to 6 is the 3/4 inch down for the shoulder drape. 0 to 7 is chest divided by 12 for the neck width. You can add plus half inch or minus half inch as per the neck shape or neckline as you wish. 8 is the 8 for the back neck length. 0 to 9 is the front neck length. Draw the neck shape as per your wish. 4 to 10 is total width 1/4 of the chest plus 1/4 inch for the ease and 1 inch for the seam. 1 to 11 you measure 1/4 of the waist plus half inch to 3/4 inch for ease and plus 1 inch for seam. Join 10 to 11. Line on 5 to 13 and draw back armhole shape on 5, 14 and 10 and front armhole shape on 5, 15 and 10. Will be 1, 11, 10, 14 with back armhole shape 6, 7 and 8 for the back armhole shape and back neckline. With lining then add 1/4 inch on 6 to 7 and half inch on 10 to 11, and if want to join the lining with the sleeve also add half inch for the side seam of the sleeve. The lining it has given in the video number in the subtitle. Please follow and see the video how to stitch a lining. Stitch anarkali kurta sleeveless, then you can take 0 to 4 as 1/4 of the chest minus half 2 inch. So that will be the for sleeveless. Part cut 1, 11, 10, 15, 6, 7 and 9.